Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure closing costs with Wells Fargo, detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure closing costs with Wells Fargo, start by gathering your financial documents. Prepare your W-2 forms, pay stubs, and tax returns for the past 2 years. Next, check your credit score to understand your financial standing. Visit the Wells Fargo website to explore their mortgage options. Choose the type of mortgage that fits your needs, such as a conventional loan or FHA loan. Use the online mortgage calculator to estimate your monthly payments and closing costs. Set up an appointment with a Wells Fargo mortgage advisor. During the consultation, discuss your financial situation and ask about available programs. Inquire about the possibility of lender credits to cover some of the closing costs. Discuss the option of rolling closing costs into your mortgage for convenience. Once you decide on the best loan option, fill out the mortgage application. Provide the required documentation to your mortgage advisor for review. After your application is submitted, Wells Fargo will conduct a credit check and evaluate your financial background. Be prepared to answer any questions that arise during the underwriting process. Once approved, review the closing disclosure carefully for all costs involved. Schedule a closing date that works for you and the seller. At closing, ensure all documents are in order before signing. Finally, celebrate your new homeownership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.